Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between the Honor 9N and the Redmi Y2. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Honor 9N sports the same old Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 MP2 GPU, while the Redmi Y2 sports the Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores from both phones. Purely based on benchmark scores, there isn't a huge difference between both phones. So let's see how they perform. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone is faster and how fast it exactly is. By the way guys, both phones are currently running the latest operating system and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but for most of the applications, Redmi Y2 was faster and slightly more responsive. So for the speed test, I'll pick Redmi Y2 as the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. They should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. In the memory management round, Redmi Y2 was able to keep more apps in memory even though it had just 3 GB of RAM, so that's a pretty good thing. And obviously Y2 is the winner even in this round. Now for the final round, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones once again at the same time and you can see which phone opens the games faster. While opening games, Redmi Y2 was noticeably faster than Honor 9N. So overall, Redmi Y2 is better in all the rounds. It's faster for regular applications, games, and even memory management is pretty good. So out of these two phones, if you're considering to buy a phone with better performance, definitely go with Redmi Y2. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test of these phones? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.